Hello, my friend. Would you like to know how to earn your first sale online using the WarriorPlus network? I got that video coming up for you right now. Hello, my friend. It is Danny Forts here with Laptop95.com, helping you earn a passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind. Hey, my friend, as you can see here, I'm doing this quick video for lots of different reasons. You can see here, I'm on WarriorPlus.com, and this is an affiliate network that allows people to generate affiliate income working from home. And if you have like product ideas, you can also put up info products and things of that nature, but it's mainly software, information products, and a lot of work from home type offers. And you can see here, you can just get signed up here for free. All you got to do is go to WarriorPlus.com. First thing is, why am I making this video? Well, lots of reasons. But the main reason is I was in the Warrior Plus group. It's the official group. You can go look it up on Facebook, and you constantly see all of these, simple questions that people have. Let me just scroll down here. Like this one here. He says, I want to become an affiliate, but I am a newbie with no experience. Can someone help me? And there's always like these kinds of questions, and people really don't want to take the time out. And even as someone said in the comments, they said, hey, go watch some YouTube videos, etc., etc. Oftentimes, too, people just don't give you even like straight answers. They don't tell you how hard it is or how hard it can be. Now, while the process is simple, I'll get to that in a second. It's not always easy depending on, number one, your skill sets. But not only that, but two, like, do you understand how all the pieces work, and do you even know what the pieces are? So if we go in here, you can see here it says how to get free real organic traffic. Someone's asking how to get organic traffic. Well, this is one way right here, is like doing videos like this. And then if I go down, let me just continue to scroll down here. It says, hi, I'm a newbie affiliate marketer. I need some guidance on how to go about it. And again, I mean, you could literally stay here in these groups all day, posting questions, and never actually taking action, because a lot of times too, people will buy these products that people are promoting on Warrior Plus, but never actually do anything with it. So that's why I'm actually making this video along with a bunch of others to show people how they can generate their first sale online using Warrior Plus. Gosh, it really is easy if you understand the process, but a lot of people don't understand the process, and I'm just going to try to make this very simple without getting into all the technical aspects of it and every single thing you got to do. With that said, first of all, stop buying all the shiny objects. That's number one. Stop buying nonsense. All of these, how many three-step push-button traffic things can you actually buy, right? Like every week there's like 4 of them, and there's a new one. And then week after week people are buying them, but then yet they don't have their email list set up. They don't have a YouTube channel set up. They don't have a Facebook group set up. They don't do any of the things that really do work. Because if you watch what the gurus do that are actually selling you the actual software, you'll realize that they're not doing the thing that they're selling you. And if you realize what they were doing, you would start making a lot more money a lot faster. In other words, if you started creating your own products, which again, if you don't have the skill set, I don't expect you to, but affiliate marketing, there is some things that you have to do, and there are definitely some basics that are time tested, and they're not going away anytime soon. One of those things, building your list. So let's just jump in here and let me go through these quick steps. Affiliate marketing is simple, okay? There's simple steps that are involved. Step 1, you want to purchase a product. You're already probably doing that. That's how you probably came to this Warrior Plus video, or you're familiar with Warrior Plus already, is because you probably have purchased a product. The simple thing is, purchase the dang product, okay? Step 2, do a review. Take some notes on the product. Say what you like about the software. Say what you don't like about the software or info product. Do a walkthrough of the members area. Half the time you can just go out there and look up any old review and see the process that they do every single time that they generate sales with their review video. So the process is not hard. It's pretty simple. It's just that most people, they're never going to actually take the action steps to do it. So do a review. Third thing, and you can see here, right here, I have some of my affiliate sales that I took a screenshot from Video Payflow. As a matter of fact, let's just go over here. Let's go to Google really fast, and let's just go here and let's look up Video Payflow. Flow review by Matthew McDonald right here, okay? You're going to see, here's 2 of my videos right here, okay? That's how you dominate page 1 rankings, and you don't need all of these crazy traffic numbers and this, that, the other that people are talking about, because half the time they get an email in their inbox, they go to Google to do a review, they watch the review, they see what kind of bonuses they can get with your review, and then they decide who they're going to purchase from. That's what most people do, and if you stick to that process, there's no way that you won't make at least your first sale and then some, because I've made hundreds of sales using this very same strategy I'm teaching you here in this video. Next, step 3, what you want to do is create slides for a walkthrough or some sort of presentation to walk people through. You can record your screen. You don't always have to have your face on the video. Now, if you have your face on the video, it does convert a lot better, but just know you don't have to, okay? If you just did a screen recording of, again, walk through the members area, what software that you're using, how it actually works, what results that you got, even case studies that you can use, and I'll talk about that in a minute as well. But you can do all these different things about the different products that you purchase. And then just like I'm doing right now, I have Google Docs, it's 100% free. If you have Windows, it's 100% free. If you have PowerPoint, it's also 100% free. If you have Keynote, it's 100% free. So there's all of these programs out there where you can create slides absolutely for free, record them, and that could be your video, and you can put it up on social media, whether it be YouTube, Facebook, wherever, to get interest and get traction with your promotions. Step 4, add bonuses. Now, I don't expect you to know how to put together a whole bonus package and all this other nonsense, but at the beginning, when you're first starting out, 2 things that you can offer as a bonus. 1, to get on the phone and talk to you. That's how you build relationships with your customers. Number 2, you can just start a Facebook group and give access to the Facebook group just from purchasing through your link. Now, with those 2 bonuses, you're also building a community of buyers and other like-minded people who are also in affiliate marketing as well. So there's several benefits of doing it that way. Now, there is a different strategy, and we can talk about that in another video, but that is using PLR for your bonuses. I'm not going to talk about this in this video, but basically you want to have between 2 and 4 bonuses and making them exclusive that they really can't get anywhere else. So getting on the phone with you, they can't get anywhere else. Getting into your Facebook group, they can't get that from anywhere else, even though they can go to a bunch of other stupid Facebook groups that are around the internet. Step 5, deliver bonuses on the back end, and this is key. In WarriorPlus, there's this little block when you get your affiliate link that you can also add a bonus, and adding the bonus is as simple as adding the URL. It could be a Google Doc that you share. It could be a web page that you share. It could be a download file, whatever that is. Now, the key and the main important part to this is making sure that you collect the email address for them to get your bonus. Why? Because that's how you build your list when you're not a product vendor. Anytime you're promoting something as an affiliate, the product creator gets the email address. You don't always get the email address unless you're collecting it by giving someone your actual bonuses. So that's that little ninja trick that all the gurus do that they never really tell you about. Speaking of which, I got a free training called Bonus Backdoor that's going to show you this exact process step by step. It's a $97 value. It's going to be in the description below this video. It's 100% free, and you can see exactly how this is done. Keep in mind, I did shoot that a few years ago, so it might look a little old, but the concept and the process is still exactly the same, and it still works, and I am still using this process in my business. And then last but not least, the next bonus I got for you is the 7 biggest mistakes affiliate marketers make. It's an audio training, and it's about 12 minutes short. You could go through that really quick. You don't even have to watch a video or anything like that, but it's going to cover the 7, and actually I think there's 10 back there. I think there's 10 biggest mistakes that affiliate marketers make. And again, you can get that 100% free by clicking on the link that's also in the description area below. So if you like the content that I dished out to you today and you want to see more like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget also to hit that notification bell, because I will be dropping more money making videos like this, especially if you're interested in affiliate marketing and you want the truth, but you also want to generate a passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind, because that's what we're about here at Laptop 9 to 5. So that's it, my friend. Take care. Have a fantastic day. Let me know what was your biggest takeaway from this video by dropping it in the comments below, and I look forward to speaking with you in the very near future. Talk to you soon. If you want to generate more passive income part-time without all the hustle and grind, don't forget to subscribe to laptop9to5.com. That's the number 9, the number 2, the number 5.com. And also smash that notification bell so you get alerted every time we upload money-making content. And check out these other videos that will help you put more profits into your pockets.